Today, we're making weird genre mashups. The way it's going to work is I'm going to spin this wheel twice and try to combine the genres into one song.
Round one, fight!
Right, first spin, let's see what we get. Not reggae, not reggae, not reggae. Drum and bass. Okay, sorry to all the reggae fans out there, maybe next time. Well, let's spin again. Country drum and bass, okay. Let me cook. Gonna start with the banjo and try and make a country riff. What the f is this, bro? Oh yeah. Gonna layer this with a guitar. Let's get a low guitar layer in there. This is making me want to shotgun a beer in my Ford F-150. Get some drums down. Open hat. I'm going to put a limiter on the hat and route the kick to it as a side chain so it ducks it a bit. More cymbals. Ducking this on the kick as well. Add a top loop. I think I'm going to bring this perk loop in a bit later. Let's get a bass. This needs a fat Reese. Automated the pitch up an octave. Add a bunch of effects. Arm and brake. Use it as like a riser. Country enough. If only there was some kind of instrument that just screamed redneck. I'm going to use Co-Producer to find a layer for this drop. Let's look for country. Yeah, this could work. I want to find a sample for a B section as well. Switch up the bass for the B section. It's just a sine wave with volume automation. Yeah, I still use 0 and 1 sometimes. What are you gonna do about it? Let's find a pre-drop sample. Just want this section. Add some delay.
Fight.
Alright, next beat, let's see what we get. Hip hop. Classic. Hip hop and classical. It's got potential. I'm gonna pay respects to Bach, the goat of classical. Let's pitch this up. I like this start bit. That could work. Use the slip tool to shift it a little bit. And just loop this. Need some hard drums. Add some hats. Turn the volume down on this one. And then just loop this. Some more hats. Snare roll. I'm going to click Make Unique on this one, pitch it down a bit. Do the same on the next one, and pitch it down even more. Let's find some perks. Time for an 808. Let's add some slides on a different 808. Double click, click slide. Few effects. Ooh, yes. Alright, let's do one more. Garage. Let's go. Let's spin again. Flamenco, flamenco, please, 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 flamenco. This is about to be fire. Let's start with this flamenco guitar sample. Layer it. Let's get some drums. Some shakers. A couple more shakers. Gonna move them off grid slightly for some swing. Perks. Bass is going to be really simple. It's just a sine wave with some harmonics. Let's just repeat this. Go up at the end. I want to go crazy on this guitar lead. Let me record in some guitar to layer it with so it doesn't sound so I recorded it in half time and I'm going to speed it up. Sorry, I'm not a guitar wizard. Click this icon to time stretch. Let's do another lead section as well. The effects. Made the second drop. Just missing something. Oh yeah. Before I play the full beat, I want to let you know that you can click the link in the description to get a 7-day free trial of Co-Producer and 50% off your first month. Such a fire plugin. I use it in almost every single beat.